Namaste students. As you know, we are doing chapter 10 straight lines. In previous lectures, we have studied about various forms of equation of straight line. Now in today's lecture, we will be learning about general form of linear equation. And we will also learn how to convert general form into various forms. In your previous classes, in your class 9th, you have learned about that linear equation in two variables can be written as ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are constants. So this is known as general equation of a line. This is general equation. And we have learned about various forms. Now we'll be converting this general equation, general form to various forms. So first one is slope-intercept form. We have to convert this general equation into slope-intercept form. Different forms. Slope-intercept form. If you remember, slope-intercept form is when we write y equals to mx plus c. That means we are going to convert this general equation into this slope-intercept form. Let's just see how to do it. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is general equation. Now if we shift this ax and c to other side, so we'll be getting by equals to minus ax minus c. Shift this y to this side. Y is equal to minus a upon b into x minus c upon b. Now if we put minus a upon b equals to m and minus c upon b equals to c, then this will get converted into y equals to mx plus c. So what we have done, we have converted general equation of the straight line into slope-intercept form, general form to slope-intercept form. So we understood that when we have converted general form into slope-intercept form, the value of slope comes out to be minus a upon b and value of y-intercept comes out to be minus c upon b. Now after slope-intercept form, let us convert general form into intercept form. Intercept form we have studied that it is of this form, x upon a, y upon b equals to 1. We have to convert this general form to this intercept form. How it can be done? If we divide all the terms with minus c. Now we shift this a. You come here. So it will be x upon minus c upon a plus y upon minus c upon b and minus 1 equals to 0. Now shifting this minus 1 to right hand side, we will be getting x upon minus c upon a plus y upon minus c upon b is equal to 1. If we take it as x-intercept, means if we take a as minus c upon a as a and minus c upon b as b. So we'll convert it into intercept form. That means when this general equation is converted into intercept form, value of x-intercept can be obtained by dividing c with a and putting minus sign, and value of y-intercept can be obtained by dividing minus c with relation of slope-intercept form and intercept form with the general equation. Let us see how normal form is connected with general form. Normal form, we have studied that it can be written as x cos theta plus y sin theta equals to p, where theta is the angle of inclination that line makes with axis and p is the perpendicular distance. And general equation we know ax plus by plus c. How to form a connection between the two, how this conversion is being done. If we divide both the sides with p, that equals to 1. Now if we shift cos theta to denominator side, we will be getting x upon p cos theta plus y upon p sin theta equals to 1. Same way here, we go for conversion. First of all, ax plus by and c shifted to the other side becomes minus c. Now dividing all the terms with minus c. Shifting a to denominator, we will be having x upon minus c upon a, y upon minus c upon b equals to 1. Now, if we compare both the equations, p cos theta is equal to minus c upon a and p sin theta is equal to minus c upon b. So, comparing equation 1 and 2, we have obtained p cos theta is equal to minus c upon a, and if we cross multiply, we get cos theta equals to p upon a, p into a upon minus c, or we can write it as this. So this is the value of cos theta we have obtained. Now comparing p sin theta and minus c upon b. We'll be getting sin theta as minus pb upon c. So what we have done? We have obtained the value of cos theta and sin theta. Now using trigonometric identity that says sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. If we write cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1, and putting the value of cos square and sin square, it is cos is minus pa upon c whole square, and sin square is minus pb upon c whole square. P square a square upon c square, p square b square upon c square. Now we take LCM, then c will be shifted to this side, and from these two terms we can take p square common. So we are left with a square plus b square equals to c square. So p square comes out to be c square upon a square plus b square, and if we move this p, this square, we will be getting value of perpendicular distance as plus minus c upon a square plus b square. Now what we have obtained? We have obtained the value of perpendicular distance, that is plus minus c upon under root a square plus b square. We have obtained the value of cos theta and sin theta also. So if we put this value of p in cos theta and sin theta, we will be getting the value as cos theta in place of minus p. This value will come, so So it will be plus minus c a square plus b square into a upon c. So this will merged, it will become plus minus only, c got cancelled. So we obtain the value of cos theta as plus minus a upon under root a square plus b square. Same way, if we put in sin theta, we get the value of sin theta as minus, for p it will be c a square plus b square under root into b upon c. So the value of sin theta comes out to be plus minus b upon a square plus b square. So ultimately what is being learned, that normal form of the general equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is of the form x cos theta plus y sin theta equals to b, where cos theta is equal to plus minus a upon a square plus b square under root. Sin theta is plus minus b upon under root of a square plus b square, and perpendicular distance is plus minus c upon a square plus b square. Now let us do some examples based on these formulas. First example I have taken, where they have given us a general equation of the line, that is 3x minus 4y plus 10 equals to 0. They are asking us to find slope as well as x-intercept and y-intercept. First case, when they are saying to find slope, that means we will have to convert general equation into slope-intercept form. Let us start with, in case of slope-intercept form, we have learned that keeping y term on one side and x and constant term on the other side, we will be getting 4y as 3x plus 10. Now if we divide all the terms by 4, so it will be 4y upon 4, 3 upon 4 and 10 upon 4. So y is equal to 3 upon 4x plus 5 upon 2. Now if we compare this equation with y equals to mx plus c, so what has come on the place of m? That is 3 upon 4. Therefore, comparing equation 1 and 2, what we obtain, the value of slope is 3 upon 4. So we've done first part. In second part, they are saying to find x-intercept and y-intercept. That means we'll have to go for intercept form. For that, first of all, again writing 3x minus 4y plus 10, shifted minus 10 to the other side. Now dividing all the terms with minus 10. Will come like this. Now shifting 3 and 4 to the denominator, we are getting x upon minus 10 upon 4 plus y upon 10 upon 3, 10 upon 4 equals to 1. So it comes out to be x upon minus 10 upon 3 plus y upon 5 upon 2 equals to 1. Now if we compare this equation, it will be equation 3, and intercept form we know, it is written as x upon a plus y upon b equals to 1. This is fourth equation. So comparing equation 3 and 4. In place of a, what has come? Minus 10 upon 3. Therefore, x-intercept is minus 10 upon 3. This is x-intercept. And y-intercept, in case of b, 5 upon 2 has come. So 5 upon 2 is the value of y-intercept. So we have solved both the parts. We have obtained the value of slope as well as x-intercept and y-intercept. In second example, we have to reduce the general form of the equation that is given, general form of the straight line, into normal form. And also we have to find the perpendicular distance and angle of inclination. In case of normal form, we have learnt that in order to find cos theta, sin theta as well as perpendicular distance, we need to have value of under root a square plus b square. So let us find out that value. What is a here? A is root 3, b is 1 and c is minus 8. So if we find a square plus b square under root, what do you get? Root 3 square plus 1 square under root. Root 3 square is 3 and 1 square is 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So after root we got the value as 2. Cos theta is a upon a square plus b square. And sin theta is b upon b is 1. B upon a square plus b square. And perpendicular is p upon a square plus b square under root. That means we have to divide all the values, all the terms, shifting this a to this side. Now dividing all the terms with this value of a square plus b square under root. Root 3 upon 2. If we take cos theta as root 3 upon 2. That means, what will be the value of theta? In place of root 3 upon 2, we can write in table of cos, it is cos 30 degree. So theta comes out to be 30 degree. Same way we can check from here also. In case of sin theta comes out to be half. So in table of sin, half means sin 30. So the value of theta is 30 degree. And this is the value of p. So the perpendicular distance comes out to be 4. So what we have obtained? We have obtained the value of inclination, angle of inclination as 30 degree, theta as 30 degree, and perpendicular distance as 4. So what we have to do in order to reduce general form to normal form? First of all, find out a square plus b square under root, then divide all the terms with that value. 2 I have divided. Whatever the values come, compare it with the cos theta and sin theta according to the position. Means what we are comparing? We are comparing this equation with x cos theta plus y sin theta equals to p. So in case of cos theta, root 3 upon 2 has come. In case of sin theta, half has come. So solving, we have obtained the value of theta and p. Example, we have to find angle between the two given lines. Equation of two lines are given to us and we have to find the value of angle between these two lines. We have learnt that in order to find angle, we will be using the formula tangent theta equals to mod of m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. What are this m1 and m2? These are the slopes of two equations. Let m1 be the slope of first equation and m2 be the slope of second equation. In order to find the slope, we write y minus root 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. Y equals to root 3x plus 5. So if you compare it with y equals to mx plus c, so what will be the value of slope? Slope m will be root 3. Therefore, m1 comes out to be root 3. Now from second equation, root 3y is equal to x minus 6. This root 3 will come in denominator. So y is equal to x upon root 3 minus 6 upon root 3. So what is the value of m2 coming? The value of m2 is coming out to be 1 upon root 3. Again, we have compared this equation with this slope intercept form. So what we have obtained? m2 as 1 upon root 3 minus m1 as root 3. Putting the values, now taking LCM, mod 1 minus 3 upon root 3. Here this root 3 and root 3 will get cancelled. 1 and 1, 2. So this 2 will come here only. So it's 2 root 3. Mod minus 2 upon 2 root 3. So this is what we are calculating. Tangent 2 got cancelled and we are left with tangent theta is equal to mod of minus 1 upon root 3. Tangent theta equals to mod of minus 1 upon root 3. So if we open this modulus value, absolute value, answer will come in positive 1 upon root 3. In table of tangent, when we get this 1 upon root 3, it's on 30 degree. We can write it as tangent theta equals to tangent 30. The value of theta comes out to be 30 degree. But if we check for axis, on x-axis, we can get 30 as well as 180 minus 30. So that is 150. So value of angle between the two lines, between two given lines, can be 30 degree